Ever catch yourself replaying the same negative thought? Maybe I'm off my game. This market's impossible. Nobody's calling me back. The truth is, your mindset runs your business long before your systems do. So today I'm giving you 9 simple ways to bulletproof your thinking, silence the noise, and get your confidence back, no matter what the market's doing. Your mind is the first market you have to master. Top producers know this. Before scripts, systems, or even your schedule, you master your headspace. The average person cycles thousands of thoughts a day, most of them repetitive and negative. The job isn't to stop thoughts, it's to steer them. First, label it to leave it. When a negative thought pops up, don't wrestle with it, label it. Then run this quick filter on paper. Is it true? Am I absolutely certain it's true? Who am I when I believe this? Who could I be without this thought? You'll feel the grip loosen. The point isn't perfection, it's pattern breaking. I remember an agent who froze every time she saw a price reduction headline. She'd spiral for a day. Once she ran this 4-question filter, she realized she'd been reacting to someone else's story, not her own data. And that same week, she booked 3 appointments. Awareness changes everything. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. Decide that today is the start of your best stretch yet, and then take the action that makes that true. Second, practice presence. Mental noise kills performance. Presence restores it. Before stepping into any high-stakes moment, listing appointment, tough negotiation, or nerve-wracking phone call, run the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding reset to shift from anxious to in control. 5 things you can see. 4 things you can touch. 3 things you can hear. 2 things you can smell. 1 thing you can taste. It's tactical, not mystical. It gets you out of fight or flight and back into your training. Here's the truth. When you're fully present, you catch the details that distracted agents miss. You actually hear what your client means, not just what they say. You notice hesitation before a price objection. You sense when to pause, when to reassure, and when to close. That's what presence does. It slows down your thoughts so your instincts can speed up. It gives you poise under pressure and control in the chaos. It's the reason elite performers, from Navy SEALs to top producers, train to calm their minds before they act. In real estate, calm confidence wins listings. Presence turns nerves into influence. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. Third, gratitude over grumbling. Gratitude isn't a Hallmark card, it's a nervous system reset. Daily prompt, 60 seconds, pen to paper. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Morning, and if you like, evening. Watch how your conversations soften and your decisions sharpen. If a listing pauses for winter, did you lose it, or are you nurturing it? Same fact, different framing, better actions. Third, gratitude over grumbling. Gratitude isn't a Hallmark card, it's a nervous system reset. Daily prompt, 60 seconds, pen to paper. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Morning, and if you like, evening. Watch how your conversations soften and your decisions sharpen. If a listing pauses for winter, did you lose it, or are you nurturing it? Same fact, different framing, better actions. Fourth, stop the analysis paralysis. You won't feel your way into action, you'll act your way into feeling better. Pick 1 micro move right now. Make 1 follow-up call. Send 1 sincere thank you text. Take a 5-minute walk and breathe. Momentum beats motivation. Start tiny, then stack. As Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Fifth, speak success into existence. Words matter, especially the ones you say to yourself. Post these where you'll see them daily and back them with behavior. These are what my coach taught me. I'm a doer. I do things now. I get things done. If it's meant to be, it's up to me. I improve with every step I take. Affirmations work when your calendar agrees. As Nido Kubain says, your words become your world. Sixth, media-free mornings. Protect your first hour. No news, no doom scroll, no drama. If the input amps anxiety, it's out. Replace it with your plan, prospecting, or a quick walk. You set the tone, don't outsource it. Don't trade your peace for someone else's noise. Seventh, focus on solutions, not problems. Worry never closes a deal. Solutions do. Write 1 challenge at the top of a page, list 3 actions you can take, circle 1, and do it now. And never bring only a problem to a client. Bring options, or better yet, the resolution. As Einstein said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Eighth, use your support system. Don't do this alone. Accountability collapses time. If you already have a coach, text them today with the 1 thing you've been avoiding. If you don't, grab a peer partner, or hey, how about me? You can always reach out. My contact info's in the notes below. I've got simple minimum standards and frameworks that work in any market, and sometimes the smallest bit of structure changes everything. Ninth, systematize best practices. Discipline equals freedom. Your business runs on standards, or it runs you. Audit yours and follow them 100%. Send your pre-listing package before every appointment. Answer your phone unless you're with family or in an appointment. Call every lead back immediately. Consistency removes drama. Systems create calm. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. Here's the final word. Negativity is a habit. So is confidence. Pick one of these 9 moves and install it today. Then another next week. Thoughts create traction, but only when they translate to action. If this helped, be sure to check out my other videos on follow-up, lead conversion, and staying consistent when people go silent. They'll help you turn momentum into real results. And if you'd like to be one of the first to receive my upcoming Agent Performance Coaching Toolbox, a free set of templates, checklists, and scripts designed to streamline your business, just send me a quick email with the subject line APC Toolbox. You can reach me at ken@agentperformancecoaching.com. I'll personally make sure you get it as soon as it's released. In the meantime, you can also request an invite to my private Facebook group, Real Estate Agent Growth Systems, or book a quick strategy call. Everything you need is listed below in the notes. I'm Ken Gould with Agent Performance Coaching, helping agents ditch the chaos, stay laser-focused, and grow consistently. See you in the next one.